What's up, homies? I'm Michael here. Welcome back to Michael Unboxing. So today are two SD Gundam X standard. We have first one. We have CGMF X20A Strike Freedom Gundam for Gundam Seed Freedom movie. So this is really excited from Bandai Namco or Bandai, whatever this is, Gunpla, whatever this is called, and this is a this is a SD Gundam X standard. What this is A+ for kids. I don't know why, but this is pretty in the last video for this, and this is in the what's this 3 months ago. I know, and this is I remember the first time I did when you the unboxing first time in SD Gundam for the first time in the last 3 months ago. Oh my god! Basically this is exciting. Look at this on top and the bottom, and you guys as good to see. You guys are good cold here, and you guys see here, and there it is. There it is, and there the top or bottom, left or right, whatever else that you can combine. And secondly, we have we don't know what it is. It's Gundam SD Gundam World Heroes is SDW Heroes. HDW Heroes Saizo Gundam Delta Kai is pretty dark purple. When you this is a purple. Oh, that's pretty cool. But this is exciting for this SD Gundam X standard, and this is basically like Gunpla, whatever this exciting in the box. And this got to see, look at the packaging, and this is a good combination. We have to the number 22. Was pretty nice, and there's a left, right for the back side. Left. Oh my god, fun. Oh my god, there's no the backup. Oh, we got the code here, and we got no backs to this one. Okay, there we go, my boys, and this is my first time here unboxing. So let's get this build. It is. So I'm gonna busy this video. This is a quick thing here. But I'm tired of this. This is the worst. Okay. If you enjoy like this video, smash the like, subscribe, button, notification bell, so ring down bell, baby, and let's get started. Let's get a boxing video building up. Let's go. And finishing my build with the two Gunpla or Gundam SDX standard version. We have this is all we have the Strike Freedom Gundam and SDW Heroes Saizo Gundam Delta Kai, and then look at this side here. So this is probably in the we're gonna look at the. I'm so busy with this video edited for my Adobe Premiere Pro, but this is kind of look at this, man. So in the instruction, so you're gonna see the instruction in the look at it, man. And the instruction, this is kind of pretty cool. And look at this, man. And this bookstore, and then this is the instruction. This is the stickers. They have the stickers, and then all the boxes are gonna stop. And this is messy. It's kind of pretty messy. Okay, and with the Delta Kai, and this one looks like a comic book, and the comic book version manga. Oh no, this is solo leveling. I don't care. But this is look at the manga. But this is the manga coloring. But this is pretty cool. This is some reason they are no idea who this guy is, and this is Sasuke Delta Gundam. And this is we got a code here. And this is really cool in instruction. Rather than the badass. Oh my god, we have the stickers one here. And listen, I don't have it in actual. We need to put this on the green. That's swapped out, and then all the pieces are messy. And we're gonna put this stuff here, and they're pretty put on this on the instruction. And this is okay. So first of all, we have the CGMF X20, a Strike Freedom Gundam for Gundam Seed Destiny, and this is the version of the movie Seed Destiny and the franchise Seed Gundam. I don't know what it is. So look at this, man. So look at this, look at the detail. Looks pretty cool. And then this look at this, is the pretty this look at the head, and we put on the core on the stickers to the menu, and the gold and white and the model kit. And then look at that, it's the boots. And so I put on the stickers on this one, and this is a little bit. This rail gun is so that we got the you can folding or unfolding, whatever you want. This is the arms. Look at that. and this looks in the arms and legs, and they use them for the wings. Oh my god, this is pretty badass. And look at I will put the stickers tonight because of the wrong direction. This is the obviously, but this is kind of for some reason they are no idea what this is. SD Gundam franchise. Look at this. It's called Mobile Suit Gundam C Destiny franchise, and this television version of the Mobile Suit Gundam C Destiny or Freedom movies, whatever you want. Okay, and then look at this back on this side. So, and you use it. You look at packaging. Look at the jetpack and powerful wings. This looks pretty cool. And this just looks like the model kit, the pieces, and then put on the head, just put on stickers, and the core gold, and this is look at the arms, and this looks like the engineering on the. This is the power and this flying of the, whether you can see. So look at that. So we have the weapons. This is called beam rifle. There are two beam rifles here, but this is the connection here. So you can do the collection on the connection of this big rifle. Alright, so this is the two beam rifles here. You can connection. This is two difference here. You can this, and you get this one here. It's pretty cool. Okay, I'm gonna put this hands on with this right hands. I don't know what this is. Pretty looks. My phone. This is a weak tire for the recording this, and it's putting this. There we go. Whoa, that's pretty good. Okay, so first of all, and there's a look in it. So moving his head, and there's a rotation. There's up and down, and the left and right, and this is pretty cool. And you can arms, you can put those arms and legs in the wibbles, the direction, up and down. Alright guys, so this is wings. We gotta unfold. You can fold or unfold. Okay, we gotta fold, unfold, whatever you want. And secondly, we have the SDW's Heroes Saizo Gundam Delta Kai, and this is probably the favorite. Yeah, I don't know why. So this one here, this is pretty cool. But this is the problem. We have no rotation arms, and then this is this. Okay, but this is the messy. I'm gonna put the stickers up because it's really hard. It's so sweaty. This is a pretty hard, and just find the pieces and with instruction that model kit. This one here. Okay, so this is the details of this head. Looks pretty cool, and then. From properly, we will know that why with this one here. This is the red eyes, also the glowing eyes. It's pretty cool, and the silver and pretty cool. That was pretty, and then you can stickers to them. The blue lines, blue frames are so badass, and pretty details. So it looks pretty cool. And then look at this: the legs, the arms, and the boots. We don't know why. This is the weapons to claw. The two different claw here, but this is this. Oh, we got the free shuriken. It is called Rokumon Shuriken Muchina, and there is the difference. The shuriken is wings. Looks like an electric fan. You can just drawing on the stars, and you can in the back of the head. And this is the wings, the jetpack, and it looks like a jetpack, and the engine looks pretty cool. And then from the problem, then not ever seen like this before. So we got this. This is what it's called, racy fingers, hands, and this is the looks at the piece, and then. And the right arms, now look at that. This is the least piece. Look at this details and the pieces. This is the looks of the pocket and the model kit version. And this is pretty cool. Okay. So I'm gonna. This is one Delta Kai, and it looks like a pretty insane. And this is the looks of it. Oh, you can put on the legs, and it looks like wolf version right there. And then you can folding or unfolding, whatever you want. So it looks like the feet, wolf, the animals, and it looks like the dog, whatever this is. It's called wolf, and this is not interesting. This is it. You can folding, unfolding, whatever you want, what it was called. And this is pretty unique. And then look at this back in the swords or katana. It's called Izuna. Izuna is a katana swords version of the ninja, whatever this is. And then it's look it's like that. And then so we're gonna put down here. Oh shoot! Wait. I got it. This one here. Stuck. Oh, hey, look at that. I want to back on. So put that in here. Oh wait. I don't know why. Scheisse. What? You know what? I'm not gonna. This one it looks like pretty insane. I'm gonna put this one right here. This is definitely serious. Hey. Oh, this is my phone. This is not recording. This is a pretty badass. And hey, I think it looks like that. This doesn't look and taste, and it looks like it looks like 4 spikes in, and looks pretty cool. And this is the wrong side there. This is like wow, okay. And then look at that. So we have this is the SDW Hero Saizo Gundam Delta Kai, and this is a movie on this. Okay. So I'm gonna take this. This is my phone. This is pretty bad. Okay, where is it? So this is you can stuck in his head. I can't moving on this moving this head, and then arms the arms this is moving the arms to the rotation, or the left and right moving the skull, and then look at his head, and this look is pretty cool. I can't moving his legs or arms. This is stock. This is pretty stock, man. That looks pretty cool. Oh my god. And look at that, the back of damn. So this is really okay. We have this is right on. Okay, is CGMF X28 Strike Freedom Gundam. This is one of those for the first time in the three months ago. This is a pretty exactly buy on this. This is unboxing of the looks, and I'm tired. This is the pieces of a model kit with Gundam or Gunpla, whatever this is. It's called extended SD version of Gundam with SD Gundam. Okay, so I give you the Strike Freedom Gundam is a that's pretty cool. 7.5 out of 10. It's pretty good. And then SDW Hero Saizo Gundam Delta Kai was okay though. I don't know why this is number 22. And then the Strike Freedom Gundam is number 006. And this is a pretty okay. So when I give you an SDW Hero Saizo Gundam Delta Kai, it's a 6.5 out of 10. It was pretty okay. It was pretty okay though. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching for this video, and then I'll enjoy it. Also like hiding the racing fingers hands. This is a pretty so messed up here. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching for this video. Leave it a like it, and then subscribe to the channel and notification bell to follow us on social media stars, and you know what I'm gonna say. And this is a movie. So next up we have a random Gundam unboxing, or Beyblade unboxing. Random Beyblade X. This is the name of this. Okay, so thank you so much for watching for this video. Hope you enjoyed this. See you there in my next video. Bye. Peace.